Think you don't have the time or know-how to build your own web store and sell products online? Think again. Quick Shopping Cart makes it easy to create a standalone internet store or add a shopping cart to your existing site. It gives you everything you need to sell your products online. Quick Shopping Cart allows you to accept credit cards, integrate your store with PayPal, list your products on eBay, offer multiple shipping options including UPS, FedEx, and US Mail, and much more. We even include free hosting with guaranteed 99.9% uptime. Best of all, you pay no setup or percentage of sales fees. Launching your new online store with Quick Shopping Cart is as easy as 1, 2, 3. 1. Pick a design. 2. Add your products. 3. Start selling. First, pick a design from our collection of more than 800 templates. With such a variety of layouts to choose from, it's easy to find one that fits your style. Once you've selected your design, customize it by adding your logo, changing the color scheme or the background image. You can even choose your navigation style, as well as how you want the categories and product pages to be displayed. Next, add your products. Quick Shopping Cart offers plans for 20, 100, or unlimited products with up to 5 images each. It's easy to organize your products into categories, determine product associations, create cross-sells, upsells, and more. From there, use the step-by-step wizard to configure your shipping, tax, and payment options. Now, you're ready to start selling. Display featured products, create coupons, even offer promotions and discount package deals. Registration and checkout are easy and secure, so your customers always feel safe. Best of all, you'll be able to accept all major credit cards, ship to over 35 countries worldwide, and more. With Quick Shopping Cart, selling online is easier and more affordable than you think. Launch your own store today. Now is the time to sell your products online with Quick Shopping Cart.